Welcome! Today I will be assembling the motorized height adjustable desk, or motorized lift desk as some call it. The desktop comes with its own instructions and its own hardware. The motorized base unit comes with its own instructions. You have the base column with its motor. This is the control box, controller. The feet, supporting beams, supporting plates, wire covers. As you can see, the instructions are clear and fairly easy to follow. We begin with inserting the motor and lift column into the supporting beam using the D Allen machine screws. It comes with its own Allen wrench . As you can see, I'm using my screw gun to secure all the pieces. Next, I am attaching the feet. They come with a slot to fit onto the base column. Next, you will have to turn the base onto its feet and attach the supporting plates. The desktop comes with pre-drilled holes to attach the base assembly. To spread the base apart to fit the desktop, you will need to loosen the 4 set screws on both supporting beams. So you don't have to move the desk once it's assembled. Put it in the location it will be used at. Setting the base as close as possible to line up with the holes with the desktop holes that were pre-drilled. Next, plug the motor wires, the AC wire, the controller wires to the control box. The farthest base column comes with an extension wire. Set the main desktop onto the base assembly. Line up the holes with the grommets in the supporting plates with pre-drilled holes in the desktop. I used a couple of screws to help secure the base plate. Mount the control box as instructed with the 2 supplied screws. Next, set the desktop extension onto the base assembly. The hardware comes with through bolts, U-shaped washer, wood dowels, pins, extended nuts, and 2 wrenches. Insert the dowel pins, insert the through bolts with the U-shaped washers. After the through bolts and washers are in place, attach the extended nuts to the one side of the through bolts. Once that is done, you can slide the desk extension towards the main desk, slightly lifting it above the rubber grommets. Guiding the through bolts, slide the desk extension until the dowel pins are in, but leave room so you can attach the U-shaped washers and the long bolts on the other side. Once the bolts are threaded on, you can slide the desktop extension all the way in, and then, using the supplied wrenches, tighten all of the nuts and bolts. Supporting beams come with grommet holes to secure the supporting beam to the desktop using the supplied Phillips headwood screws. Now you can attach the hand controller to the desktop where the pre-drilled holes are located using the wood screws. Attach the wire covers using the short Allen head machine screws. The wire covers do not come with holes. You will secure the edge of the flange using the screws. Then you can tuck your wire out of the way. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this will help you. Please like and subscribe.